Hi, Crafty Angel. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with another today's prayer for you guys. And today's prayer is be still and know that I am God. Psalms 46:10. Now, I do have a few Bibles on order, and when I get them in, I will read, start reading the verses out for you guys, okay? So, I want to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Also, be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, and most of all, stay healthy. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.